What's up guys, Manuel here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on my juicer that I purchased, to reduce some of the stuff that I'm eating. I want to be drinking more juice and stuff like that. So I'm going to link the product in the description. Make sure and check it out if you're looking to get a juicer. Because the company only offers 1 year manufacturing warranty. So the box looks really nice, as you see right here. Starting today, you can put all the accessory in the dishwasher, which is pretty good. So let's take a look at it and see what we got in it. And we got a owner menu and stuff like the recipe books and stuff like that. Alright. So this is this right here when you're juicing, you set it right underneath the machine, and all the juice comes right in there. Alright, they got it's not a glass, but it's like a heavy duty plastic. Very nice looking though. Very nice looking. I like it. I like the quality. Wow, that's beautiful. Honestly. This is a brush, a cleaning brush. It's a really hard, like a bathroom brush or something. It's very good quality brush. I'm impressed so far. It's really nice. So this is the bad boy right here. Let's get it out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, guys, I encourage you to do so. And this is just an unboxing video. I'm gonna watch this and do some try. We're gonna do some juice and all that. I gotta go to Walmart and get me some apples and pineapple, all kinds of juice. All right, so I'm gonna post that video. That's gonna be a separate video. I don't want this to be too long. So this right here is for all the, when you're grinding, when you're juicing, this is where all the trash, whatever's gonna go right here. And this your juice go in here. This for the trash container. And designed into stainless steel. I really like that. I really like, cause this one have the quiet mode, as you see right here. You have the quiet mode and fast and boost. I mean, want to go faster or whatever. If you're grinding something like ginger root, something hard, you can go more hard on that, fast and quiet. There's one thing I need to let you guys know. If you're looking for a juicer, you want to also consider what kind of juice you're gonna be doing. Like if you're gonna be doing just green, like green leaves and stuff like that, this is not a juicer for you. This is actually this juicer. Like I said, I forgot some of the description, but based on the description that I checked earlier, it's like up to 13,000 RPM. All right, 13,000 RPM. That's very fast. All right, and I think it's a 1,000 watt motor or 1,200 watt motor. I don't know. I have to double check that. So it's gonna juice very fast. So if you're doing something like a leaf or let's say any leaf, it's not gonna do very good at it. This one gonna be good for ginger roots, pineapple, orange, or apple and stuff like that. It's just do it right away. So that's really good. So this is the juicer. This is what it looks like. And like I said, I'm gonna do a separate performance video. All right, this right here, you use that to feed your apple right here. Then you press it down. All right, and so let's see if we can open this real quick. So you're gonna hold this like this, take this down, and then lift this whole thing up. You know what I mean? And every time you don't juice it, you have to clean it. And this is when you do that, you're gonna lift the filter. It's like a screen filter, and you see that these things are very sharp. And the filter is a stainless steel filter, very high quality filter. This is what it looks like, man. It's nice. If you're looking for the juicer, like I say, you have to first ask yourself what kind of juice you want to be drinking. If you want to be drinking just lead, you don't want to go with the high performance juicer. This is just for heavy duty stuff. Pineapple, like I already mentioned before. So this is the reason why I got this one for myself. And this is kind of like a professional juicer actually. If you want to know the exact model, if you want to know the price and everything, check the description. I'm going to link that because I got it on Best Buy. So I'm just going to copy the link and then post that in the description so you get to see the price and also, all right? So that's pretty much, like I said, you have all this fancy stuff. This is really good looking, really good looking. They got all the gasket, rubber gasket around here, you know, to prevent that from leaking. This is my first juicer. I never owned a juicer before. I have like a Vitamix blender, which is really good for things like smoothies. But if you just want to drink a juice, fresh juice, not smoothies, so my Vitamix cost me almost like $600. I think I did a unboxing video on that. If you guys can check that out also. So I kind of want to eat healthy stuff, drink healthy stuff. Drinking a lot of fresh juice will keep you healthy, you know, will prevent you from going to see doctor and all that stuff. So I encourage you guys to do so. Even if you cannot afford the most expensive one, they have the cheaper ones out there for like $49, you know, $70, $150, whatever you know you could afford. Just go for it. It will make a juice for you and change the way you eat, because we have no activities going on right now. We all sit home and just watch TV, so we want to cut down the sugar, cut down the fat and all that. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, this is just an unboxing.